The case that I chose to talk about is Marbury versus Madison. The first question was, which branch abused constitutional power? Congress passed a law called the Judiciary Act of 1789. It was adopted in the first session of Congress, and it established the federal judiciary of the United States. It also set up the Supreme Court, created 13 districts in the United States, and created the Office of Attorney General. A clause in Section 13 of the Act was what made it unconstitutional. In the 1803 case Marbury versus Madison, it was the first act of Congress to be partially invalidated because it was unconstitutional. The reason it was unconstitutional is because it gave the Supreme Court more power than it was permitted by the Constitution. The second question is, how did the branch abuse their power? It was not the entire act that was unconstitutional, just that one small part that gave the Supreme Court too much power. So just that one part of the act was the part that was unconstitutional. The third question is, where specifically in the Constitution was the power that was abused? The constitutional power that was abused was the separation of powers because it concentrated way too much power on the judicial branch and it was unfair. The fourth question was, did the other branches reprimand them? Because it was so long ago, they were only reprimanded in the sense that it was overturned. And the last question, did the people get upset with that branch of government? Again, because it was so long ago, I could not find any concrete evidence that the public was upset, but if something similar had happened today, I am sure that the public would be very, very upset.